Amazing day, everyone. This is Prem Kumar from AmazinSellers once again, and I'm here today to speak about crowdfunding. How many of you know this product? Probably you have seen this everywhere these days in summer, right? This sells $100 million a year. And how did they start? They started with a crowdfunding campaign in Kickstarter. The founder asked for $8,000 and he got $800,000, an overwhelming $800,000, and that's how he kickstarted his business. Crowdfunding strategy hence can be a very good launch strategy and growth strategy. How can it be a launch strategy? I just gave you an example. But how can it be a growth strategy? I will take the example of Pebble. Have you seen Pebble? Of course, yes you have, right? So with Pebble, these guys, whenever they want to launch a new product, in the early days, they started a Kickstarter campaign and it was very successful for them as a strategy, and now you can see where the company is. So regarding this, we are going to conduct a webinar with an expert in crowdfunding. Her name is Jess Bailey. She's from Crowdfund 360, and she has helped a lot of companies crowdfund more than $500,000. Her very successful campaign was that of Switch Bike. You may have seen that if you are a bike enthusiast, and she has helped raise $500,000 for that company. Please join us on 20th May 2020 by 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. And I would like to have all your questions there. It is not just for Amazon sellers, it's for everyone, whether it is beginner who wants to launch or whether it is for experienced people who can expand their business or have a very good product idea to test in the market. It's a very good test strategy for product research. All right, that's all I wanted to say today. I'll see you all on 20th May, 4 p.m. Thank you.